Another day with a heat advisory. It's just been downright hot, and we expect this every year in the summertime. But the reason it's been extremely hot, especially up the east coast of the United States and over the northeastern United States, is because of this ridge of high pressure that is keeping our temperatures hot. And we've also got moisture around as well. So when you factor in the heat and the moisture, that's why it feels like the triple digits. But looking ahead towards the end of the week, we actually see an upper level low that kind of starts to move over Florida towards Georgia. That's going to help to break down our heat just a little bit. And we will see the return of some showers and storms at times for the latter half of the week, I should say, and into the weekend. But for today and tomorrow, we have first warning impact days for a heat advisory. And once again, we get these every summer, but this is the first widespread heat advisory we've had this summer. And it means that our heat index values could surpass 105 at times during the heat of the afternoon. So make sure you're staying cool by drinking plenty of water, taking breaks in the shade, and just listening to your body. Here's what we look like right now from our WVTM 13 studio camera. It looks pretty nice out there, but feels downright hot. We've got a temperature on the thermometer of 88 degrees, but because we have those dew point temperatures in the 70s, don't just look at the thermometer and think that's what it feels like. It actually feels hotter than that because your body has a hard time staying cool with the high humidity. Feels more like 94 degrees in Birmingham at this point, and if you're in Centerville, it feels more like 105, feeling like 104 in Fayette and 103 in Utah. Here's what we feel like through the afternoon. As I stop the clock here at 1 p.m., we'll have more locations that feel like the triple digits, so everybody just downright hot. If you can stay indoors today, that's probably a good idea, or just make sure you've got ways to stay cool through the afternoon. You're not going to really find much relief from showers and storms today. In fact, we're looking at just a very low chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm through the afternoon. First warning future track at 3 p.m. just shows very small pockets of rain. So really a low chance for any kind of relief from a shower today, but that will be changing as that pattern kind of breaks down like we talked about. So for tomorrow, another very hot day for us. Temperatures climbing into the mid 90s, but when you factor in the humidity, feels like the triple digits. So that's why we do have another first warning impact day, another day with a widespread heat advisory. But there will be more storms as that upper level low starts to move closer to our area. You can see the Storm Prediction Center highlighting a few slight risks, one of those including south and southeast Alabama, but our part of the state under a marginal. That's a low-end threat of a strong storm or two. These will have a lot of energy to tap into with that heat and humidity. They'll actually be moving from east to west, moving in from Georgia as that upper level disturbance gets closer to our state. So let's time it out. First warning future track, moving the clock forward, we do start to see better coverage of some scattered storms tomorrow. So that is at least going to help out some folks. If you get the rain tomorrow, that's going to help your feels like temperatures. If you miss out on one of those showers, tomorrow will just be a really hot and steamy day. We do see the chance for thunderstorms each afternoon, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. It is worth noting there is another marginal risk for Thursday. There could be a few heavier storms with gusty winds, frequent lightning, and also some heavy rain as well. And looking towards the weekend, I don't want you to see these storm icons and think that it's going to be a total washout. That's not the case. We've got the better coverage of scattered storms possible each afternoon and evening. Temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s, but still feeling very hot if you don't see a shower or storm.